Hi everyone, thank you so much for learning with me today. This is our last school counseling lesson of the school year. I miss everyone. Today's lesson is going to be what makes you happy and something to put a smile on your face. As we look towards the summer, what are some things you're looking forward to? Maybe it's spending time with your family. Maybe it's going on a hike, going outside. But do something that makes you happy. On this Padlet, I have lots of different activities and things to look at that make me smile. There are some mindfulness activities, ways to calm yourself down if you're getting upset or frustrated. There are silly songs from Cuckoo Kangaroo and some of my son's favorite songs I put up there. There are some activities that you can make different things if that's something your family can do. And I just want you to share, what are you going to do that makes you happy? I will be looking forward to seeing everybody in the fall when we start back to school. Have a wonderful summer at Grace.